night theater traffic, good mood.
I wonder how Tina Turner would react in traffic.
You better move that car, girl, or I'll bust you up.
What about Jose Feliciano? He's not bad enough that I can't see. I have to sit here for 2 hours. I don't think so. It can be anybody. People down through history reacting in traffic.
Was that hot?
Roosevelt.
All right.
Uh-oh.
Jerry, I want you to have this piece of material.
That's very nice. I can't do the voice.
Jerry, don't start up with me.
I gotta get out of this cab.
Hot, huh?
Everything.
That was the $10 pepper.
I'm ignoring. You want to hear the difference?
Holy fuck.
Can you help me get on the Tonight Show?
Was that hot, man? Very hot?
Yeah, it's getting worse. That water's gonna make it worse. Yeah.
But I am his I'm not.
Yeah, it's getting worse. Milk.
Run over to Paragon and give Kramer the 2 tickets so they can come in, okay? These are taken. Hurry back.
Holy fuck.
Why don't you go and I could save the seats? You said you didn't like saving anyway.
That ain't helping.
Damn.
Holy shit, man.
I got bottled water in there. Want bottled water?
That's not helping.
Oh, sorry, man.
Oh, wow.
I'm sorry, these are taken.
I was stuck in my teeth.
What are you doing? These are taken. These are taken. Which one? He's doing this one.